Let's install the MAGBAK charger for our Tesla. This one works for Model Y and Model 3. We got a Model Y right here. This is super easy to attach right here, and it includes all you need to get up and going. You have the little user manual right here. This is what you use to install it, but you don't need this. I'll show you how to install it really quick right here, right now. It comes with this power adapter, and it's highly recommended you use this one instead of using the USB-C from your Tesla, because this one is a fast charger. It's 30 watt, so you get very fast charging. This is really important that you use this and not the charging from your Tesla. Trust me, this is very fast. And then the very easy to install. This is the piece right here, and you have the wires, and you cannot install it wrong. Literally, you just stick it right here, and that's it. That's how you install it. You can't install it too high, you can't install it too far out, because it just fits right there, and it just works. And you can run the cable nicely, neatly around down here and underneath here, and push it underneath the little covers, and you can hide the cables really well. It also includes extra adhesive in case you need to reapply it, but this is all you really need. There is alcohol wipes, which is actually important because you want to make sure you clean the area behind this before you attach it. And it's super easy. We're going to do it right now and attach our MAGBAK wireless charger for your Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y right here. So right here, grab your alcohol wipe, and this is, as you expect, very simple. Grab this, and we're going to go ahead and clean the back of our screen with this. It'll dry very easy by itself. So clean this area right here. That's all you gotta do, and just give it a moment after you clean it to let it dry. While it's drying, all you gotta do is peel this off, and it's super easy. This is 3M adhesive, so very strong adhesive, and get ready to install it because you're just gonna line up right here as perfect and as easy as can be, and you're gonna push the back, and that's it. That's how easy it is to install. Perfect installation every time because you cannot get it wrong. And there we go. Now that this is installed, I can just my phone right here, and it'll stick on, and then it's perfect. We just gotta hit the wire to run power to it. The reason why this is so good is because over here, although you have wireless charging, sometimes it doesn't work. You have thick cases. In our case, we are charging because this is a very thin case, but you gotta get the placement just right. And also, I like to have my phone right here so I can glance at it. So we're gonna go ahead and run the wire down to install it. And the easiest way is to nest it down here. So you're gonna nest it through here, and that way you can hide the wires really easy. I won't do it right now because I'm kind of sitting in the car and it's a little bit hard to do, but I'll show you how that looks in the end results. But right now, we're just gonna plug it in, and I'll show you how it actually connects. So it does include this charger. Again, this one is a MAGBAK 30 watt charger, so definitely use this one. Not the USB in here. Do not use the USB in here. Use this one. So where does this connect? Here, this one is back here in this compartment. So open up this, and it's hidden right back here. So lift this, and da-da-da, there it is. So this is where you're gonna plug this one in, and that's it. This one will then now connect over here. Then you just run the wires down here, and if you look over here, the wires will get nested underneath here. So it's gonna be a very clean installation. The only thing is you'll see a little tiny wire here, and that's it. So you're gonna nest this up here. So this is where you tuck in the wires. Super easy, right? It comes down here, it tucks in underneath here, and this one right here tucks in so easy you don't even need a tool. And look, it's perfectly clean except this little wire that shows over there. But that's how you tuck it in, really nice. And now this thing is powered up. Put my phone right there, and it is charging. Super easy, and it's a perfect placement because this placement allows it to do Face ID. So if I need to unlock, Face ID is ready to go. And also this one is just a perfect height. I don't need to fidget around with some of the different mounts where you can go up and down, left and right. I just need it to work, and this one is stable, and I don't have to fidget with it. I just put my phone on, and it's charging. This is a MAGBAK charger for a Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. Super clean installation. I like the squarish look because it matches the squarish of the screen. It's simple, but it works. MAGBAK charger right here for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. And if you're interested, there is a link down below where you can save additional savings with the MAGBAK charger right here.